So in this video we're going to start looking at adding rivets to the Lancashire boiler. In previous videos I've been calling it a Lancaster boiler. There is a difference. This is not meant to be prototypical but more a tutorial showing you how you could go about creating something like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the origin point. Now I use seams and I set these up previously, and I want to create the rivet at this point. So using the circle tool on the blue axis, I'm going to pull along the red line 0.2 and zoom in a little bit. Select tool, highlight this lot, get the move tool, and I'm going to move it down on the blue axis slightly. I then want the pencil tool, so L, the origin point, put it along the red axis, so right arrow key, 0.2, press enter. Then I want the pencil tool again on the origin and up on the blue axis, so up arrow key, 0.2, press enter. I then want the arc tool, and we need it on the green axis. So click on the origin, click on the end of the line and rotate it up until you get to the quarter circle. I then want the select tool again, clicking on the base layer, and I want the follow me tool and click on the face. So now we have our rivet. So the next thing I want is the select tool again, click on the bottom here, using the face center find, put mark in the middle. I can double click on this, I don't need that anymore, press the delete key. The next thing I need to do is highlight it all, right click, make component. You can name it here if you want, I'm not going to bother. We're then going to use set component axis, and we need to click that in the center. Click twice and then click create. The reason we do this is now the origin point for that rivet. Before it was over here somewhere, and that will affect us in the next video when we start to place it on the boiler. You might wonder why I've created the rivet on the blue axis when our boiler is actually facing the other way. What I've found is when I'm using certain tools to place the rivets, they work better if the object is on the blue axis rather than the red axis or green axis. This I will possibly show you in the next video.